Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do another page of our summer task, and today our topic is composition. Okay, students, keep one thing in your mind that all these composition you have to write in your notebooks or on loose sheet. Okay. Your first topic is write a paragraph on your favorite personality. Mind map will help you. Okay, students, you have to write a paragraph on your favorite personality. It will be anybody. You have to write it by yourself. You have given a mind map. What is a mind map? Mind map is basically when an idea came. For example, your main idea was favorite personality. Now you have to make a mind map. Mind map is that you have to mention the main point. For example, when it was born, where it was born, their early education, their degrees, their interests, why do you like that personality, either it is alive or dead, and their age. Okay. नाउ इन ईजियर वर्ड स्टूडेंट्स की किसी भी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सनालिटी या फेवरेट पर्सनालिटी के बारे में आपने लिखना है तो आपने ये बताना है कि बॉर्न वो पैदा कहाँ हुए थे, उनकी अर्ली एजुकेशन, उन्होंने अपनी इब्तदाई तालीम कहाँ से ली थी, स्टार्ट की स्कूलिंग, उनकी डिग्रीज क्या क्या थी, उनके इंटरेस्ट क्या क्या थे, आप उनको क्यों लाइक करते हैं, वो जिंदा है या वफात पा चुके हैं, एज उनकी उम्र क्या थी. फॉर योर एग्जाम्पल आई एम और योर हेल्प आई एम showing you an example. My favorite personality is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Okay, now it is the name of the personality. Next point is he was born in Karachi on 25th December 1876. Now where he was born, this point is covered. Next, early education. He got his early education from Sindh Madrasatul Islam. Then he went to Bombay for further education. After his matriculation, he went to England for further or higher education. Now you can understand, students, that how you have to write it. Next was his degree. Quaid-e-Azam, as you all know, has a degree in law. Okay. Why do you like? Okay, why do I like Quaid-e-Azam? Because he was an honest and brave man who fought for an entire nation. Next is alive. As we know, he passed away. So, and what was his age at the time of his death? Quaid-e-Azam was 71 years old. Hope so, students, now you can understand and can do it easily. In simple words, you have to write an essay or paragraph. Okay. Your next question is write 5 sentences on why it is good to go to school. Okay, now you have to write 5 sentences that why it is beneficial or good for you to go to school. आप स्कूल क्यों जाते हो, ये आपके लिए क्यों फायदेमंद है. Next question is write 10 sentences about your best friend. You might like to talk about why he or she is your best friend. Most easy and creative topic you have got, students. आपने अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड के बारे में 10 लाइन्स लिखनी है एंड आपको साथ साथ ये भी बताना है कि वो क्यों आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड, why he or she is your best friend. Okay. The next topic is the signs of spring. Okay. Write an essay describing the joys of spring. Now you have to write the topic, an essay on the topic of joys of spring. ठीक है, यानी मौसम में बहार की आमद या बहार की जो आमद से खुशी होती है उसके बारे में आपको लिखना है. अब उसके क्या साइंस है. सिमिलरली हियर यू हैव अगेन गिवन अ माइंड मैप. आपको माइंड मैप अगेन दिया हुआ है, पॉइंट्स आपको दिए हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल सन है, लेंथनिंग डेज, softening winds, gentle showers. Okay, what in spring we have lengthening days. The days are starting to getting longer. दिन लंबे होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. Softening winds, soft winds are starts to blow. हल्की हल्की जो है वो हवा चलना शुरू हो जाती है. ठीक है. Gentle shower, light rainfall होती है, हल्की हल्की बारिश होती है, फुहार पड़ती है. Okay. Growth. What grow in spring? As you all know that as the spring comes, a lot of new flowers, bushes, roots comes to grow. Okay. Green shoots, blossoming trees, shooting birds, blooming flowers, pretty snowdrops, golden daffodils. Okay, these are the golden daffodils. Basically, is the name of flower. Okay, so क्या होता है, green shoots, सबज पत्ते, टहनियाँ निकलना शुरू हो जाती है. Trees are blossoming. As we know, fruits are starting to come on trees. दरख्तों पर फल आना शुरू हो जाता है, दरख्त फलने फूलने लगते हैं. Shooting birds, कलियाँ खिलने लगती हैं फूलों की. Blooming flowers, फूल खिलना शुरू हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, और बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल चीज़ है. Similarly, birds nesting, as we know that birds start making nests, their homes, घर बनाना शुरू कर देते हैं. The cuckoo's arrival, hungry young birds, feeding time. Okay, the cuckoo's arrival हम कहते हैं कि न्यू बर्ड्स जो वो बेबीज देते हैं, एग्स देते हैं, उसमें से बेबी हैच होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. स्प्रिंग इज द सीजन. एंड हंग्री यंग बर्ड, छोटे छोटे न्यू बर्ड्स निकलते हैं एग्स में से, तो वो हर वक्त हंग्री होते हैं. वो हर वक्त क्या कहते हैं अपनी माँ को कि हमें खाना दो. ओके. लास्ट इज फार्मर, बिजी सीजन, फ्लोइंग हैरोन, sowing the seed. Okay, next is farmer season start. It is the farming season. As you all know that farmer starts to grow the crops, so they are all busy. हल चलाना शुरू कर देते हैं, बीज बोना शुरू कर देते हैं, एंड उसके बाद क्या होता है, खेतों की देखभाल शुरू कर देते हैं. होप सो फ्रेंड्स नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड एंड कैन डू इट easily. Okay, now come to the last question of your summer task. Read the information given in this table. Now students, what you have to do, you have to read this information you have given in the table about different animals like owls, parrots and penguins, birds. What you have to do, as you have given an information here about owls, the question is, if you had to write a paragraph about owl, it would look something like this. Okay, अगर आपने आउल के बारे में कोई पैराग्राफ लिखना है तो आप above mentioned information को लेके इस टाइप का लिखेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर हमें आउल्स के बारे में बताया है, लार्ज हेड, शार्प बीक, शार्प टैलेंस और नील्स. ठीक है, ये हमें एक इन्फॉर्मेशन बताई दी है. सो हम यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे, owls are birds with large beaks, they have sharp beaks and claws, they eat small mammals and insects. Okay students, now you can know how you have to write paragraph according to the above mentioned information. Similarly, you have given two other birds, parrots and penguins. ठीक है. So अब parrots के बारे में अगर आप कोई paragraph लिखेंगे तो what you लिखेंगे, parrots are birds with brightly colored feathers. They have curved beaks. They eat seeds, berries, nuts. Some parrots also eat insects. Okay, parrots live in the tropics, especially in South America and Australia. Okay, इनकी special features, what are their abilities क्या होती हैं, they can initiate human speech, यानी कि आपको पता है तोता बोल सकता है, इंसानी आवाज़ें निकाल सकते हैं. They can copy sounds, they hear noisy. Parrots makes a lot of noise, they can copy any sound they hear. हमें पता है mimicry बहुत अच्छी कर सकता है. So students, in according to this paragraph, आप इस तरह से पैराग्राफ लिख सकते हैं. Hope so now you can understand and do it easily. अल्लाह हाफिज़, फी अमान अल्लाह.